In this video, we're going to go over the basic operational functions of our knee kicker. When used as demonstrated, this unit is used for positioning carpet, hooking carpet on a tack strip, and light stretching in tight areas. The knee kicker is ideal for installing carpet in small, hard-to-reach spaces, such as closets and staircases. The unit features recessed trigger locks, allowing users to achieve their desired length with 3 nap grips and 16 adjustable steel pins. Equipment of any kind must be operated with care. We want you to achieve the results you want without endangering yourself, others, or property. We encourage you to wear gloves and eye protection while renting the knee kicker. First, remove the plastic cover from the head of the unit. Then, extend the length of the knee kicker by pushing down on the lever. Lengthen as needed and make sure both sets of buttons are engaged. After you have extended the unit, use the pin adjustment dial to adjust the pin depth. Make sure that you adjust the pin depth to the approximate carpet thickness. First, place the knee kicker onto the carpet 4 to 5 inches away from the wall. Please make sure that the long pins should reach through the pile into the carpet backing, but not through the backing. Once the knee kicker is in place, the user will lower to their knees and begin kicking the bumper pad with his or her knee. Once the carpet is stretched and flush with the wall, move to the next area of carpet and repeat. Adjust the pin dial back to the lowest setting and place the plastic cover on the head. Then, retract the length of the knee kicker by pushing down on the lever. At Sunbelt Rentals, we rent the tools and equipment customers need to accomplish anything they want to do. I hope this basic operational guide to the knee kicker has given you all the information you'll need. For further information, please contact us at 1-844-SBR-TOOL. Thanks for watching.